It's my best day ever.
So, with my heart singing, it was time to show the world that a new era in motorhoming had begun.
We roll.
There we go.
So just to recap, viewers, what I'm doing now is going for a nice drive down to Cornwall in my Lotus. There is no impression whatsoever of there being anything on the roof. That weighs less than me. And that's the point, lightness. I'm preserving motoring pleasure for the campervanist.
Sadly, when the Land Rover got up to speed, I realised there was a bit of a design flaw.
In modifying this particular example, in cutting away the bodywork to create this, I have left a slight gap sort of all around here. And there is quite a draft. It is quite chilly.
Mind you, compared to Jeremy's design flaw,
Oh my God! No, this is terrifying. I can't begin to describe what this feels like. It's okay, wallowing quite badly.
I asked James to pull in behind and assess the gravity of the situation, but he wasn't much help. And to be honest, nor was Hammond.
I've cocked up. I know I've cocked up. Oh, hello, Prince.
Jeremy, did you make a note of how tall it actually is?
No, I didn't. Yes.
He hasn't got a clue.